Hi friends, welcome to my today's video. So today I will do the add sums for beginners of class UKG first and second. Okay, so friends, let's start. So the first question is 45 plus 2. So children, what we have to do is add 5 to 2 because these two lie in the ones place, because there are two places here, ones and tens. So tens is 4 and ones has 5 and 2. If we add 5 and 2, so our sum would be 7. So here you may write 7 and the tens place may be the same. So here will be 4. Now 6 plus 3. So it's the ones place and the 1 is the tens place. 6 plus 3 is 9 and tens place will be written as it is. So this will be 39. Now 10 plus 5. So 0 plus 5, we have to do 0 plus 5 at first. So to add 0 and 5, our rule is that if we add 0 to any number, the number remains the same. So here would be 5 and 1 would be carried the same. So answer would be 15. 21 plus 8. If we add 1 to any number, so the resulting number would be the next number. It means 8, the next number to 8 is 9. So our answer would be 9 and 2 would be carried the same. So here it will be 29. 32 plus 7. So 2 plus 7. What is 2 plus 7? 9. And 3 would be carried the same. So our answer would be 39. Now the next question, 44 plus 1. So when we have the thought that 4, if we add 1 to any number, like we add to the 4, so the 4 may succeed. It means that it may come a number further, like 4 may come 5. So here it will be 5 and here will be 4. Next question is 13 plus 6. So at first we have to add 3 to 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. So here it will be 9 and 1 will be 1. So it will be 19. Now 22 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 we have to do 2 plus 4 at first. And if we add 2 to 4, it is 6. So and 2 will come the same. So here it will be 26. So now it is 43 plus 5. So at first we have to add 3 to 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So here it will be 8 and 4 will remain the same. So our answer would be 48. Now 11 plus 7. We have to add 1 to 7. If we add 1 to 7, so the number 7 will succeed. It means it will increase by 1. So it will be 8 and 1 will be here. So our answer will be 18. So now it's 33 plus 6. Now if we add 3 plus 6, 3 to 6. So it will be 9 and 3 will come as it is. So our answer would be 39. 24 plus 2. So we have to add 4 to 2. This would be 6. 2 will remain the same and our answer would be 26. 12 plus 7. We have to add 2 to 7 and it would be 9 here and 1 would come the same. So our answer would be 19. 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 would be 7 and 4 will come the same. So here it would be 47. 15 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1 will come the same. So it would be 18. 24 plus 5. So at first we have to add 4 and 5. It would be 9 and 2 would be the same. So our answer would be 29. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 will be the same. So our answer would be 38. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 2 will be same. So our answer would be 28. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 3 would be same. So our answer would be 38. 45 plus 1. So we have to add 1 to 5. It would become 6 and 4 would remain the same. So our answer would be 46. The next questions are 13 plus 4. So at first we have to add 3 into 4 and that would become 7. 1 would come the same, so our answer would be 17. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 2 will be the same, so our answer would be 28. 33 plus 6, 3 plus 6 is 9 and 3 will become the same, so our answer would be 39. 43 plus 5, so 3 plus 5 is 8 and 4 will come the same, so our answer would be 48. 22 plus 7, 2 plus 7 is 9 and 2 will be the same, so our answer would be 29. So this was the first part of the add sum for beginners. I will upload other parts in which I will add 2 in which 2-digit number will be added to 2-digit number. In this video it were 2-digit number added to 1-digit number. So keep taking a look at my channel and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for another updates.